to another video. Today we're at Bamboo Restaurant. So we have Annie here. Hello? Hey Annie. I can't hear you. Oh, okay. Where are you? Where'd you go?
You might just have to have somebody else too.
Hi, sir.
Yes, ma'am. What would you like?
Me. Yeah, me. I'm in the party. Okay, follow me. Here's your 10. She didn't even spell table right. She put 2 A's in it.
Alright.
Woo! Okay. I'll be right back. Oh. Whatever. Okay. How do you get what? Oh.
Oh my god. You go on Sunday, it's just much of a What? Oh my god, why is it doing this?
Okay. Fried rice. I want some fried rice. Give me some fried rice. Can I have fried rice, please? Like, Annie, I've never seen a circle like this before. there's like no fail or play people in this server. Oh, well, oh, that's it. Okay. Wait, what did you say? Oh, okay. Annie, can you see the chat?
No.
Oh, okay. What's not working?
Oh, sorry.
Are you trying to give someone food?
Yeah.
That makes sense. I'm gonna turn my LED lights
So no one's.
Ooh, purple.
Oh, fuck. I cannot, like.
Oh, that's green. There's some more. I type pretty slow. One finger. Let me close my blind. Oh my gosh, I can't do it. Okay, whatever.
Oh, forgot to drink. I literally just, like, completely forgot to grab the drink.
You forgot the drink, my guy. Okay, I cannot get my blinds down. That doesn't matter. Okay. Might cut that part out. Maybe not. Okay. Oh gosh, this actually looks really real. Oh my gosh, this is like when you eat Bloxburger food. This is realistic. Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! This is good too. I just stick the whole thing in my neck. Gosh. Okay. Oh. I gotta drink this fruit punch. Good fruit punch. Okay, Andy, go to the front.
Alright. No, lost.
No, you're not. Okay. Hi, meh.
No, what? Oh, wait, hold on. What? I got one. How many? That says one game. Just make.
Well, I try to make it realistic. Sorry. Meet Mr. Turtle here, guys. Mr. Turtle. Oh gosh. Just showing my viewers my turtle. Bamboo! Oh, high class. What's that? Yeah, I want a high top. Because I want a high top because you're a high top. Huh? Here, let me look on the menu. Where is the appetizer, actually? No, where's the appetizer?
Appetizers right there.
Oh.
Just hold on.
Annie, can you close my blinds? I can't get it to close. Oh. There we go. Can you close them?
Alright, hold on. Don't do it.
Okay, guys. I'll have some. I'm sorry if I say this wrong, but can I have some chow mein? Chow mein? Actually, wait. I'll have the chicken pasta ticker. Okay, whatever. Okay. Okay. I'll have fried rice for my appetizer. Do you need my last name? Do you need my last name? Oh wait, ma'am. Can I have? Wait. Okay. No. Yeah. I brought some fruit punch with me, guys. I'm the best guy in history. Smartest guy because I bring fruit punch because I was thirsty. That wouldn't make me at all. At all. Okay, guys, that is gonna be it for the video. So I'll see you another day. Bye bye.